Hi, my name is Gordon Smith and I'm with JBrush Company, and I'm here to show you the setup wizard for the SPTouch. Now, the first screen you're going to see is the please read the instructions. Now, we highly recommend you read the instruction guide that comes along with this device. After you have, you can press your next button here and it will ask you to set up your date and time. This is for normal operation of the device, so it knows what day we're on and what time it is for your bedtimes later. The first screen you see here is the set clock date, and as you see, we already have it set up for our time. So we're going to go ahead and hit next on that. And now we get the clock portion of it. It's 12:27 p.m. here right now, so that one's already set up for us as well. We're going to go ahead and hit next. The next screen we get is the set passcode that the owner of the device can use to lock down the settings so that somebody else can't change it later. So if I hit next on that, we're going to be entered to ask the 4, and for this demo I'm going to press 1, 2, 3, 4, set, and it's asked me to confirm my passcode one more time, just to make sure I didn't type anything wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set. Our next screen is the set resident name. This is the name of the person who this device is going to sit on their bedside. We're going to go ahead and hit next. And you're going to get a keyboard here. You can do uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers in case you want to do a room number. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in here. G-O-R-D-O-N. And go ahead and hit save. And now we're going to get to the bedtime and wake time. This is the time that we're going to use to figure out if you should be in bed by now or if you should be waking up. Make sure to give yourself a little bit of leeway here just in case you happen to go to bed a little bit later. So we're going to hit next on that. And it's going to ask me what my bedtime is. And it's by default right now set up to 9 o'clock p.m. I'm actually going to say that I tend to go to bed maybe a little bit later, 10 o'clock p.m. And my time out of bed. Right now it's set to 7. I'm going to say I'm a little bit of an early riser. Let's do 6:30 a.m. Confirm that as well. And at the end of it, you're going to get a little screen here that says, are you sure these times are correct? So we've got my bedtime, my wake time. I'm going to say yes. The next screen we see here is the not back in bed alert. Now, the system does 3 sets of alerts. They have the not in bed, the not out of bed, and then this one, the not back in bed. This is for if you get up in the middle of the night and you go to get a drink or go to the bathroom. It gives you a little bit of leeway before the device starts sending out text messages. So in this case, let's say we want to give ourselves 15 minutes. I can hit the up arrow here and pick 15 minutes and then hit set. Now if I wake up in the middle of the night, I've got 15 minutes to return to bed before the device starts sending text. The next page is our add new contacts. Tells you a little bit about what we're going to be doing here, but basically you're adding a wireless phone number that we can send text messages to about the alerts that are happening. We have our add new contact screen automatically comes up. Let's put in the movie favorite. Five, 555, and we can confirm it. We have one contact in here now, and as you can see, we can delete that contact or send a test message to it. We can also add 2 more contacts by hitting the little person plus here in the corner. For right now, let's just go ahead with the one contact. I'll hit OK. The next screen you see is the final screen. The SPTouch is setup screen. If you have any problems, there's a number right here on the screen for you. You can call us. Other than that, though, your device is set up and ready to go.